Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I did my makeup today using only one makeup brush, so please keep watching if you'd like to know how to achieve this flawless face. First, I'm going to be using the shade Aloe from the ABH Prism palette. Now using an orangey shade from Colourpop Cosmetics, this one's called Too Much. I'm going to put a light wash of that all over my eyelids. Now I'm just adding this bright red shadow from the Sephoracollection to add some vibrancy to the crease. Taking Parallel from my Prism palette, I'm using the brown tone to deepen the red just in the really close to my crease, basically just making it as deep as possible without overpowering the red tone. We still want the red to be visible, so we want to blend and make sure we really do blend the brown into the red and make it look very seamless. Now I'm taking one of my favorite liquid black eyeliners. This one's from NYX Cosmetics and it's their matte liquid liner, and I'm just outlining my crease and kind of making a tail, you know, just the usual Ray graphic eye, kind of outlining it first, and then I move on to the other eye and pretty much do the same thing. Some days when you slay your liner like that, you just gotta celebrate yourself, you know? Taking this Tarteist liner, I'm going to use that to support and underline the black liner, going back over it using my black NYX liner to outline furthermore. You just want to make sure that everything is as lined as possible, really. And now we're going to create our custom eye shades using these products you see on the screen here. I'm using a mix of the Sephoracollection Cream Lip Stain and the BH Studio White Concealer to create a light purpley shade, and then sweeping that all over my eyelid. When doing this, it's important to ensure that you have even coverage on both eyelids to prevent them from looking patchy. And now we want to bust out that NYX black liner again, just going over our lines, making sure they're all even and connected. Grabbing a pair of lashes from my favorite lash book from Certify. We're going to let the glue dry while I prep my skin. All items I use are listed below, but I basically use a pore minimizer and a Too Faced hangover before going on with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick. I've also added the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation to this mix. And now for the star of the show, which is this little brush you see right here. This is the Sephoracollection 45.5 multitasker brush, and it is one of my favorite brushes on earth, hands down. I love this brush mainly because of its transitional properties, which allows me to use it at different points throughout my complexion routine. Now we're going to grab those lashes we left to cure earlier. And those should sit right on because we've left them to dry a bit, so they should be tacky and a little bit sticky still. And now I'm going to go in with some concealer, using first the shade Deep from the Too Faced Born This Way. It's very orangey, but I like using orangey shades on days where I don't get a lot of sleep because it kind of helps me color correct. And then I'm going in with, I believe, Warm Honey from Aloe Cosmetics. But yeah, watch how the brush blends out those two different brands of concealer really beautifully and very seamlessly. Just watch. Next, I'm going to contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the shade Deep. Now, contouring can get a bit tricky, especially as not everyone has the same face shape. I suggest playing around and trying out different types and shapes of contour just to see which one suits your face the best, because what works for me might not work for you and vice versa. So I've placed them on my cheekbones, and now I'm just working around my jaw area, back to my cheekbones, around my forehead, under my lips, just You know, contouring the areas of the face that I would usually contour, but using the same brush. Wow. I also love that the brush is small, that I can use it for my nose contour and it won't mess up that whole area, if you get what I mean. Now using that same brush, we're gonna go in our e.l.f. Cosmetics blush palette and pick a shade, tap on lightly to build up the color. And to add a bit of glow, we're gonna grab our Jackie Aina Artist Couture collab, and this time we will be using a fan brush to apply our highlighter. Normally I start off with Le Bronze as a base, as I think it's a beautiful shade you can wear by itself. You can also use it as a base to transition into a lighter shade of a highlighter. And that is pretty much everything I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to check out my other videos. Oh, and PS, there is a giveaway attached to this video, so we'll head on over to my Instagram page and enter to win. Thank you all again so much for watching, and have a great day.